At airports, vertical transport of baggage currently relies entirely on inclined conveyors and baggage lifts. These solutions work, but they are complex and limit overall system capacity, while at the same time consuming valuable space and increasing the risk of misrouted or untraceable baggage. AmbaFlex now introduces a new standard for continuous vertical flow with the AmbaFlex Spiral Conveyor. With its compact vertical design, the Spiral Conveyor significantly reduces footprint, ideal for space-constrained airport environments. This continuous belt motion of the Spiral Conveyor enables high and consistent throughput, even during peak travel periods. With fewer mechanical components than traditional baggage lifts, spiral conveyors deliver high reliability, maximum uptime, and ease of integration. Smooth, controlled movement prevents tumbling and supports accurate baggage tracking throughout the system. These benefits give the Spiral Conveyor a clear advantage over existing solutions and enable continuous flow in both new and existing layouts. Rethink vertical transport in your next layout. Contact us at ambaflex.com.